Previously on Minecraft Math. Oh god! Oh guys! I thought I was fighting those skeletons and I realized the creeper was gonna blow me up too. Hi guys! Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith, and that was in the last episode, and it's Friday, so it's time for Minecraft Math. So that last episode, Mr. Smith was fighting for his life, didn't get enough levels to enchant all his things. You can see I'm back up to 30, I did some mining, but we need to fix some things first, because that creeper blew some stuff up. He wasn't the only one. We had this creeper, right there, and this creeper right here. There was a creeper that blew this up too. You didn't see that, but that happened. So, anyways, I thought first we'd figure out how much dirt it takes to fill in one of these holes. And then I thought maybe we could be the creeper. Do some blowing stuff up. So, yeah, we're gonna break some stuff. So anyways, so this is the hole the creeper made that you saw blow up. That one you didn't see, but it's there too. We'll do that one too. So I want to figure out, we can use math to figure out how much dirt it takes to fill in one of these holes and how much damage that stupid creeper did. So anyways, alright, so... Did I already... What did I do? Okay. I don't know what I did. Alright, so we've got a stack of 64 dirt blocks, right? So I'm going to fill this in, and then we're going to do a subtraction problem and figure out how many dirt blocks it took to fill this in. Okay, so here we go. We're going to fill this all in. You can count as we go if you want, but I'm going to try and do it fast so you can't. Because that's cheating. You're supposed to use math. Counting is math, I guess. So that's fine. But we can use more complex math than counting to figure it out. Alright, so we started out with 64, and now we have 20, guys. So you're going to go to the whiteboard, and you're going to watch and figure this out. Alright, guys, so this first problem's easy for you, because you guys are way smart by now. So, anyways, so we started out with 64 dirt blocks, right? And when we were done, we had 20. So... how many, first of all, we're finding the difference. So guys, is that addition or subtraction? Finding the difference is always subtraction. So, there's no tricky stuff in here. We don't have to borrow or carry or anything. So 4 minus 0. Anytime you subtract 0 from a number, the number stays the same. Because you didn't take anything away. So, this one's 4. Now, 6 minus 2. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we take away 2, these don't exist anymore. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the amount of blocks it took to fill in the creeper hole, that first one, was 44. Alright, so you guys did some great math, I'm sure. I'm sure Mr. Smith was just an amazing teacher. Not really, but anyways, so now we're going to fill this one in. So this one we're also going to start with 64. Actually, you know what, let's not do that. We had 20 left. Let's see if the 20 that's left is enough to fill this in. We should probably do this quickly because it's nighttime. So So 20 was not enough to fill that in. So we're going to take this 63 and we're going to figure out how much it did take to fill it in. There's some tricky math going on here. I may need some of your help to figure it out. Alright, so we started with 63 and we have 41 left. So I'm going to go sleep so that we don't make another big hole in the ground with a creeper. And then we're gonna do something fun after you do the math. Alright. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, this next problem's a little bit trickier because there's one thing we know. We know that we started, we're gonna put this number over here for now. We started with 20 blocks because we used the blocks left over here, right? What we don't know is how many blocks we used from the second pile. because the 20 blocks was not enough. So we started with 63 because Mr. Smith was a knucklehead and filled in a block that was missing for no reason. So we didn't start with 64, but that's okay. So we started with 63 blocks on that stack, and we ended up with 41. So we need to figure out how many blocks we used, and then we need to add it to this number. That will be the total amount of blocks to fill in the second hole. Okay, so we are going to find the difference, so we are going to subtract again. So we have 3 minus 1. So what number comes before 3? That would be 2. Okay, so 3 minus 1. Anytime it's minus 1, it's just the number before it. Easy rule. Easy way to remember that. Now we have 6 minus 4. Now, we can actually figure this out. We can use our brains and come back over here, because the way math works, it's a pattern. It's always a pattern. So over here we have 6 minus 2 equals 4. So the rule says if we have a 6 and a 4 up here, we have a 6 and a 4 here, what number do we have left over here? We've got this 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So to fill in the second hole, we used 20 blocks to start with, and then we used 22 more. So now, to figure out the total, am I running out of space? No, I'm good. So to figure out the total, we're figuring out a total. So are we adding or subtracting, guys? We are adding. So we have 0 plus 2. You're not adding anything because you're adding a 0. So it's just a 2. 2 plus 2. So if we have 2 groups of 2, which actually is multiplication as well, because that's 2 times 2. 2 groups of 2. This is like one of the only cases where 2 plus 2, the number plus the number, also equals the number times the number. So 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second hole we filled in took 42 blocks. So that's how we got the answer. Guys, we did a little bit of complicated math, but you guys, we did good. So anyways, let's get back to Mr. Smith doing crazy things in Minecraft. Alright guys, I'm back. So the creepers inspired me. They really did. They inspired me to be destructive. So look what I found in my desert temples I've found. So we can actually make TNT in this game. And you can blow stuff up. You can also make rockets. So I don't want to use all of this. So let's use... I want to make rockets when I get elytra. Anyways. So let's use 25 gunpowder. So if I want to make TNT, I have to do... Oh, I did this wrong. Look, I'm doing... I told you I was going to be crazy. So, alright. So in order to make TNT, you need to put 4 sand and 5 gunpowder. And you have to have them this way. So, my question to you is, if I have 25 gunpowder, how many TNT can I make? Alright? So we're not actually going to go to the whiteboard for this one. We can do this one here. So what we're doing is basically we're taking 25 and dividing it by 5. So I'm going to find a chest that's, of course I'm not going to find one that's empty. I have plenty that are empty. Okay. So we're going to break it up into groups of 5. So 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4 groups. So 25 divided by 5 means that I can make how many TNT? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Because we can do this. Now, do we have enough sand? That's the question. We do have enough sand, actually. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that showed us that 5 times 4 is 20. So this is our recipe. So we can make 5 TNT with our gunpowder. So we are going to do that, and then we are going to go blow some things up. Alright, so let me put this in the pattern. I'd cut away and do this, but I'm just going to let you watch because it's fun. So we can just spread it out like this, and it works. And then we can do this. Why aren't you working? It's okay, it'll work fine. Okay. So now we had 18 TNT, and we have 23. So that means that 18 plus 5 is 23. I'd make you figure that out, but we kind of already do how much we had. So these stray cows, they're still driving me nuts. They're still around. So, oh, we, I have some redstone, but I need to make some levers or some buttons or something. Make the dynamite blow up. Let's see. I know you guys are excited to watch things blow up too. Don't think I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna make... I should make more than one lever because we might blow up the lever. And we might have to redo it, depending on what happens. We'll make... I'll be prepared to make more than one lever. We'll make 3. I'm hoping we don't need 3 though. We're gonna... One big, huge explosion. And then, hang on a second. Don't watch this. I told you not to watch, and you watched anyways. Mr. Smith does not condone violence of any kind. Although, I do like to kill the spiders in Minecraft. Anyways, alright, so where can we go to blow some stuff up? Let's blow up the top of this hill. The cow disagrees. I don't really care what the cow thinks. We're gonna blow some things up. Can I get up here? I can get up here, look at that. I'm like a mountain goat. Alright. Oop, oop. So it's really interesting to see how much damage we can do to this poor mountain. Alright, so let's dig down a little bit. Alright, so we'll... Is this gravel? That's gravel. We could do... Okay. So we're gonna put some TNT here. Okay. Hi, you're probably not gonna want to stay here, buddy. So we'll put some TNT this way. I think we could do 2 apart. Might work. I'm trying to set up like a chain reaction kind of thing. I'm hoping it works. So we have a lot of TNT. We're like 23. So this should be kind of fun, actually. And I do think these will all go off. They're pretty close together. Let's go. I don't know. Let's do some different things with this. All right. I don't know if that one's gonna blow up. This will be like a... We're sciencing this here. And then do we want to try and blow up part of one of these trees? I think maybe we do. All right. So let's see. I have to eat. It's rude of me to eat in front of you. Alright. So, the way we're going to make this go off is we're going to use a nice little redstone thing here. So, we don't want to be super close either. So, we're going to go over here. I know you guys would think it's hilarious if I was right next to it. But, I'm not going to give you the pleasure. I don't want to be so far away that we don't see it, though. So... Alright, I think if we do... I think we're close enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we're fine. That'll blow up. Okay, so hopefully, it'll be like a dominoes kind of thing where all the TNT blows up. Should we wait till the sun goes down? Is the sun going down? Nah, we don't want to wait. Alright, so we'll place the switch here. So hopefully we should go boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And then it'll go down into the mountain over here. And then we'll have to come over here and see how big the hole is that it made. Hopefully, this cow. I don't want this cow to get hurt. Get out of here. You guys will be mad at me if I kill a cow. Actually, you can see in my inventory I've killed several cows. But I don't want to kill a cow on a video. I did kill a spider, though. Get out of here. Go. It's not safe. It's not safe. Go. Get some PPE or something. Alright, so this is perfect. As the moon comes up and the sun goes down, that cow, I don't care. It's his fault. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, look what we did. That was amazing. Alright, I want you guys to tell me how many blocks we just broke. No, I'm just kidding. We don't have that much time. So anyways, guys, let's see what we did. We caused a little bit of damage over here. We got some coal. Alright. So that was really fun, guys. Maybe next time, I gave myself a good idea. Maybe next time we'll make some fireworks. Did save some of the TNT. I will kill some more creepers. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for doing all that hard work you do. I know that it's not easy. I know all of you are doing things a little bit differently, but it's okay. We all do things differently anyways. That is part of life. But I do appreciate all the work everybody's doing. I hope that everyone is keeping themselves safe, taking care of family. Hope everyone's okay. Look, did we blow part of the tree? We did blow up the tree. Anyways. Guys, that was lots of fun. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye, guys.